Hello students, today we are going to learn how to write a letter to place an order. Many a times we need certain items in more number or less number. Therefore, we contact different dealers who can supply us with those items. Even an organization that you work with can provide you with this responsibility of ordering the goods or items on their behalf. For this, you need to choose the best supplier who has submitted you the possible quotation for the rates. Now, we are going to learn how to write a letter to place an order. Let's begin. First, let us understand what is a letter. A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another through a medium. An order letter is written to place an order for any items that are required. It mentions the details of the items like an address for the delivery, the deadline, mode of payment, etc. This is a formal letter written to someone you don't know personally, but you have a business relations. The tone and language should be formal and precise. The format of a formal letter is business-like, structured and fixed. Now, let us understand the features of business letter placing an order. The first feature is it is a formal letter. As it is a formal letter, it needs to be precise and clear. Remember not to use any abbreviations or slang. The second feature is in the letter, we are going to place an order and therefore it should be clearly mentioned. The third feature is we need to follow a format and word limit. The word limit for writing the letter is 100 to 120 words. Now, let us understand the format for the letter. At the first place comes the sender's address. Sender is the person who is writing the letter. The receiver who is going to deliver the items is going to send at this address. Therefore, we should take care that it is complete. We may include details like phone numbers and emails. After writing the sender's address, we need to leave a space and write the date. After the date, we leave space and write receiver's address. Receiver is the person who is going to receive the letter. After writing the receiver's address completely, we need to mention the subject. The subject should be clearly mentioned, giving the details of the items that we require in a line or few words. Here, we notice that a left side alignment is maintained. After writing the subject, we begin the letter writing the salutation. It could be Dear Sir or Madam. Now, we can begin writing the body of the letter. The body of the letter should be divided into paragraphs. In the first paragraph, we need to introduce ourselves and we should mention the purpose of writing the letter. In the second paragraph, we should give the details of the article's order. Here, we can use a table and we can mention the articles and quantity that we want to order. In the third paragraph, we can write any special remark that we want to bring into the notice. We can ask for the last date or the deadline of the delivery. We can talk about any past experience. We can even talk about the payment modes, whether it would be made by cash or check. In the next paragraph, we can write the complimentary closing saying yours truly or yours faithfully. Lastly, we should mention sender's name and designation, if any. You would be using the name which is given in the question. This was the format of writing the letter. Now, let us practice a sample letter. There is a question. Write a letter to Lightway Sports, Amrapali, Thane, placing an order for sports article to be supplied to your school, ABC Matriculation School, Civil Lines, Pune. You are Ravi or Reena, sports head. Now here we notice that the sender's name, designation and address is given. We would be Ravi or Reena, who is the sports head of the school, ABC Matriculation, Civil Lines. The receiver would be Lightweight Sports, Amrapali. We need to place an order for the sports article. Now, when we have understood the question completely, let's start writing the letter. At the first place will be the sender's address, followed by a date, followed by the receiver's address, then the subject. Here, the subject is order for the sports good. Let's begin writing the letter. Dear Sir, I am Reena, sports head of ABC Matriculation School. This letter is in reference to the quotation dated 19th December given by your sales agent. We agree to it and hope that 10% discount that is permissible to the educational institutes will be given on our order. Please send the following items on the above mentioned address. Here we notice we have given the introduction and we have talked about the items that we want to order. The next paragraph we are writing, kindly find the list of order as mentioned in the list below. Here we need to draw a table mentioning the items. It could be divided in serial number, name of the items, number of the items or quantity, and the description. Description stands for a special remark that you want to mention. The first item is football, which is required 10 in number, and the brand we require is Adidas. The second item is cricket balls, which is again 10 in number, and the quality we require is leather. The third item is the tennis balls, which is required 20 in number, and the brand is Vicky. The fourth is the cricket bats, which is again 10 in number, and the description is Adidas. Now, further in the last paragraph, we can mention about the special requirements that we want to bring into his notice, and we can talk about the mode of payment. Let's see. Please ensure that all the items should be in good condition and packed properly and delivered within a week. The payment will be made by cash once the items reach us. Any damage during the transportation will be your responsibility. Further, please note that transportation charges shall be forwarded to your account. Now, we need to place a complimentary closing, writing yours faithfully and the name given in the question, Reena Khanna, the designation, sports head. Now, when we have understood the sample letter, you can further practice writing letter by the question which is given here. I hope the above video was good enough for you to practice. Keep practicing. Thank you.